Hi, my name is Abigail.
And I'm Ramya the Christian, and we're the co-leads of the Technology and Engineering branch at Multi-Ed Club.
In today's video, you'll be learning how to make popsicle stick catapults and tensile bubbles, as well as the important engineering concepts that are behind those two crafts.
Hey guys! Today we'll be making a super cool popsicle catapult. So the materials you'll be needing to make this craft is 10 jumbo popsicle sticks, a couple rubber bands, a bottle cap, sticky dots, an optional plastic spoon, and something to catapult like a marshmallow or a pom-pom. So before we start making our catapult, how far do you think your marshmallow or pom-pom will launch? Make a prediction. So the first step is advised to have parental supervision or help. You'll take 2 of your popsicle sticks and create a couple of small notches on one side of the stick like this. Stack 8 popsicle sticks on top of one another and secured it with a rubber band on both ends of the stick. Carefully slide the notched popsicle stick that we created earlier in between the top layer, like so. Now flip your popsicle stick over so that the notched popsicle stick layer is at bottom of the stack. Grab the second notch stick and line it up with the first notch stick. Secure them together with a rubber band to make an open mouth shape. Lastly, use a sticky dot to attach the bottle cap to the end of the catapult.
By creating a catapult, you can learn about projectile motion as well as potential and kinetic energy. When you pull down the lever on a popsicle stick catapult, you are creating potential energy, which is stored energy. When you release the catapult, you are creating kinetic energy, which is energy in motion. Gravity also plays its part when you're using a popsicle stick catapult. For example, as your firepower flies, gravity pulls down that object to the ground.
The materials you'll be needing to make this craft are a couple of straight straws, a pipe cleaner, any type of bubble solution, and a tall Tupperware container. So the first step is to cut your straws into fourths. You can cut it into fourths by cutting the straw in half and then half again. Next, you need to put the pipe cleaner through one straw and bend the end to secure it. Step 3 is to thread in 2 more straws onto the pipe cleaner and bend the 3 sides to make it a triangle.
Attach an extra pipe cleaner to the end of the current pipe cleaner. Next, add 2 more straws to the end of the pipe cleaner.
Thread the pipe cleaner through the adjacent straw, the straw next to it, and add one last straw to the pipe cleaner and bend it over to create a pyramid. Now the last step is to straighten everything out and you're done. Don't forget to add the bubble solution and blow some bubbles.
Today I'm going to be talking about tensile structures, so let's get started. Tensile structure is a structure that's held together with tension, like a tent, because fabric or some sort of material is held in tension between two or more anchors. The square bubbles are similar to tensile structures since the bubbles are formed by the rigid edge stretch of the bubble solution. Tensile structures are constructed for the use of roofs and tents. While tensile structures aren't typically meant for carrying a lot of weight, they cover a lot of space, which is great for the particular project because the soap doesn't weigh a lot, but it can make big bubbles because of the space it takes up. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching our first video.
Stay tuned for more craft videos. Bye!